Welcome to the High Desert Nature Museum.
Enchanting and intimate, the High Desert Nature Museum is a place where the natural world is not only a field of study, but also a source of inspiration and wonder.
Culture.
Whether you're one of the over 1 million tourists who visit our national park and other internationally known high desert attractions annually, or an inspired local resident looking for a great outing of quality time with family or friends.
Fun.
Enhance your appreciation of our great outdoors by first coming indoors.
Before you come up here,
You've got to come here.
Discover for yourself treasures dating back to prehistoric times.
Amazing.
Come experience what makes our high desert truly unique to the world by discovering and identifying the fascinating varieties of plants, minerals, and the animals that make this spectacular desert landscape their home.
Cool.
Get a better understanding of our local attractions like the out-of-this-world mysteries of the Integratron, built by UFO enthusiast George Van Tassel.
compelling.
Or journey back to the Old West and Pioneer Town, built in 1946 as a set for Western movies, starring legends Gene Autry and Roy Rogers, among others. Then bring your binoculars to the Big Morongo Canyon Preserve, a desert oasis and home to a diverse wildlife habitat, a paradise for world-class birders. Our highly authoritative staff is a wealth of knowledge of little-known facts about the heritage and natural history of this area, and the impressive collection of regional artifacts displayed here for over 40 years.
Educational.
For art lovers, the desert's stark beauty and dramatic landscape provides inspiration to local artists and musicians, letting the imagination run free. Permanent exhibits, as well as engaging temporary exhibitions by regional artists, let the desert be your muse to find the artist within.
Inspirational.
The Kids Corner is a popular family destination where children use their imagination to build and create.
Interactive.
Before you go, stop by our very unique Gecko gift shop and take home a unique remembrance of your visit from an array of affordable treasures, designed and crafted by local artisans. While you're at it, sign up for our Tortoise Tales monthly e-newsletter, delivering not only the news of upcoming events, but a memory of your good times. Isn't it time to plan a visit to the High Desert Nature Museum, where there's always something fun to engage minds of all ages?
Entertainment.
Always free admission and easy access off Highway 62 in the Yucca Valley Community Center complex.